Welcome guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to talk about superglobals in PHP. So we have several variables which are predefined variables from PHP, like we have $globals, $_server, $_get. So we are going to see these variables being used in our upcoming videos. Other than that, we have the $get, $get, and $post that we use for forms when we deal with forms. We have cookies to store data, user data. We can use sessions as well. We will see these all in practice so that you get the better understanding. Let's see the use of $global because this is the one I want to show you today. So I have the code here, and currently we don't have anything on the page. So what I do simply, I'm going to define a variable. I will call it $x is equal to maybe 20. And then I'm going to say a function, and I will say display. And inside this function, I will say $y is equal to 10. And here I can say echo $x. So in my previous video I showed that in scoping we can use $x here, and we are going to get the 20, and that's coming just fine here. But in case we want to use this $x inside the function, we can't do that. So for example, if I take this and put in here and I call this function at the bottom like this, now if I refresh the page, we get undefined variable x. The reason is for the scope. If we define variable inside a function, we can use inside a function, but if we are defining it outside, we cannot use it inside a function. But in case you still want to use it in some particular scenarios, we can use PHP superglobal. So what we can do here is that we can say, alright, so we want to use globals, and I want to pass the variable name here. So we have variable $x, but when we use the globals, we just pass the name of the variable without the $sign. So we're just going to pass here x, and I'm going to put this in place of $x. Alright, so you can see that if I call this function, we are echoing this out, so it should give us 20. So if I refresh here, we get 20. So this is how you can access a variable which is not defined inside a function from outside the function using globals. We will see more scenarios where you might want to use this, but this is one of the features of globals that you can use. Hope you like it. See you in the next video to explore more of PHP. Thank you for watching.